Why are we
You'll see how pretty it is.
Oh, okay. This is the road to Bushnell in Floral City.
Yeah, there's an Irish pub that lives there.
Oh, awesome.
Is it supposed to look like that one?
Yeah, look.
Is that night vision or something?
No, it's on the wrong thing.
You want to change?
I'll fix it on the way back. See how the trees hang over the road here?
Yes.
Isn't it gorgeous?
Looks like a winter wonderland
Yeah,
here.
I just love it.
Like ice on the trees.
Look at that view.
Yeah.
This is what I wanted you to see.
It's very pretty.
There's a section in Sugar Mill that looks like this, and that's where that house is. It's $120,000.
Wow.
I just love this. The first time I drove, there's an old antique postcard of this.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I've seen it in a couple of the antique stores. Floral City.
All right, stop now, or do you want to?
Yes. I'm going to turn around, and then I want you to photograph it correctly